Downtown Inverness has that timeless small town charm, historic streets, friendly faces, and a calm that feels like a deep breath. At the heart of it all is the restored Valerie Theatre, hosting movies, concerts, and community events that light up the square. Just steps away is the old Courthouse Heritage Museum, where you can explore Citrus County's story, including the famous moment when Elvis Presley filmed scenes from Follow That Dream right inside the courthouse in 1961. With cozy cafes, local shops, and tree-lined sidewalks leading straight to the water, downtown Inverness blends history, culture, and small-town beauty in the most effortless way. This is Inverness, Florida, my home.